Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table with the Google Doc. Up here, we have all the menu and we need to click on Insert. With Insert, here we have the table. So here we have the rows and we have the columns. And if I want to add a table, so we can use the building blocks. You can add a simple discussion log, review tracker, content, launch tracker, product roadmap, project assets, and view more. Let's click on review tracker if I want to add this table. So you can see you can just double click on the text to edit, or up here you can add the title and you can change all the other text right here. And if I want to add the border, so you can click here to change the border for selected cell. And if I want to add a row or column, so here I can just add a new row, or from here I can just add a new column. And if I want to make my own table and I don't want to use these building blocks, so from here I can add the number of columns and rows. Now I'm going to add 5 rows with 5 columns. Click on it. So here we have the table. Now I can just click to select the border if I want to. And also, if I want to move my table, so simple, I can just move it from here. And if I want to get all the options for the table, so from this toolbar I can click on table options. So it's going to open the table properties. So from here we have the quick layouts, the table, column, row, cell, and color. So this is how we can add a table with Google Doc. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.